Tired of overcomplicated video wall setups? Well, check this out. The BZBGEAR BG-UHD-VW2X2A is a 2x2 4K video wall controller that needs zero software to get started. Just plug it in, hit a few buttons on the front panel, or use the remote, and boom! Your 2x2 video wall is alive. No apps, no drivers, no stress. Switch between HDMI or USB-C sources in seconds. You get buttery smooth 4K 60 video and clean audio de-embedding for pro-level sound. Perfect for gaming stations, stream setups, digital signage, or just flexing that epic display. It's clean, it's fast, and ridiculously easy to use. This is pro-grade gear that'll make you look like the coolest cat in town. BZBGEAR. Plug in, power up, and look awesome.